So I've been trying to figure this out for about a week. Every time I've gone to launch this Premiere Beta application within the Creative Cloud desktop, after installing it recently, it just kept crashing. I couldn't get it to work, and it was so frustrating. And every time I researched the error code that came up, I would get videos that would suggest, disable antivirus software, turn off Windows Defender, try uninstalling, reinstalling, run a system file check on the computer, update your drivers for your graphics card or for the C++ visual that Microsoft is going to use to interact with the application. And none of that worked for me. But recently, I was able to leverage the Windows Event Viewer tool within Windows, and this was able to give me more detail regarding that error message. So I threw that error message into ChatGPT, and I was surprised at the response. When I asked ChatGPT regarding this error, it immediately knew what the issue was. It was so confident. It said, this is 100% reliable, but you always have to take that with a grain of salt. But anyway, I went ahead and followed the steps that ChatGPT mentions in this article right here. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So ChatGPT wanted me to go to this directory in File Explorer. It said the error that I was getting essentially meant that Adobe Premiere was trying to launch the application using this file that was baked into the Adobe Premiere Beta file location instead of using the default Windows directory. So it wanted me to go to this directory, which is Program Files, Adobe Premiere Beta, or locate that particular file. So it wanted me to go to this file location, type in the name of that file, and essentially make it obsolete by by changing the name. It can't reference it, and then forcing the application to use the default dependencies. So I just right-clicked on these and I put a .old at the end of each one of these files. And now when I go to launch the Adobe Premiere Beta software, it works. So I gotta give the props to ChatGPT because it came in clutch. But folks, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.